Hey guys, in my last video we talked about for loops. Now we're going to talk about while loops. So while loop is used for forming an operation while a condition is being set. So for loops and while loops are the same but not exactly, and they both are interchangeable. Now let's go on to examples. So now let's take a variable called num equals 1. So now let's write the while loop statement. So while num less than 10, let's just say to print it. So print num. So now let's run it and see. Okay, let's run it. One less than 10 is always true, so the loop will never going to end. You see an indefinite num print. To make it a proper loop, we need to increment num value in each iteration. To break it, you have to click CTRL+C. So you have to say number plus equals 1. So now it will go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me show you another way. So you can just do num equals num plus 1. So now these two are the same thing, but this is a shorter way of writing this. So I prefer the shorter way, but it's your personal preference which way you want to write. I'll do that way. Now if we run it, it's gonna print 1 to 9 because 10 is not less than 10, and that's not a true statement, that's a false statement. So it won't print 10, only it will print 1 to 9 because all those numbers are less than 10. Let's see if it happens. See, it printed 1 to 9 right now. And the last time, it just keep on going on with ones because we didn't say you need to add it and assign it back to the value. Okay, this plus sign means it's yielding, and this equal sign means it's assigning the value. The yield value, the equal sign is assigning that value into the variable. So if you just put num plus 1 like this, num plus 1, it's not assigning the value to anything. It's just adding, but it's not assigning the value to anything. So that's why you should always put num plus equals 1 plus equals. And you can choose any variable over there. I just chose num. So now let's move on to another loop, which is in while. So let's do while true and then what do you want it to print? So let's do print. So let's just say it to print hi. Now the condition is always true, so it will print hi indefinitely like this. See, it's printing hi indefinitely. So to break it, you can just click CTRL+C and then it will come like this. It will come like this. So, okay guys, this is the end of the session of lesson 5, while loops. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.